Good afternoon, people. I want to thank the Prime Minister for Jamaica, Jones. I ask him to thank you for the corona money when he give to people. How you na bank book? You can go restaurant and collect the money. I carry the ID and it in your hand. I would have them bank card can go to the bank go draw the money. I thank you Andrew for the local money. I'm asking people up on the road, they take time to look at money and Andrew is going now. Look at corona money, Andrew is going to asking people if you take time with it. Don't use it buy rum and don't use it buy a cigarette. That's not nice. And don't use it buy and don't take it go gamble, go gamble money and gamble this and gamble that. That's not nice. Use the money that Andrew is giving if you do. Buy your food, buy your clothes and buy one little socks on your foot and put on when you dress up in your yard. Man, I have Andrew, I thank you for it, Andrew, because I never earn nothing for myself neither. They give me little money for go to buy my base soap, my soap, and my brush for wash out my dirty clothes that I have. I never have a wife collect me wash my clothes them. I show some hand me wash my clothes them. I sometimes clothes and phones that I have on too. But thank you, Andrew, honest. Thank you. I buy people work, I buy people back and I buy people bros. In a nice way, I buy people things. Thank God I have a little money for myself, I buy my own stuff them. People, they take time in the money. Respect, bro, God. But you know what I say, but I say respect for the little money you give me. Respect for it. Big up yourself. Good afternoon, people. My name is Kemar Jones. I want to thank the country from Manchineel, Part Thompson. I want to thank me for this food bag here. Everybody get, if you think I let me, I tell, 2 hours in there. 2 tissue. Thank God for the 2 tissue you give me. Thank God for the 2 tissue you give me, because a newspaper I usually at the bottom. A flour, the flour caramel, flour, 2 spring water. Thank God for the 2 spring water, because pipe water I normally drink. Thank God for the 2 spring water. And a cooking oil, and a sardine, and a 3 tin mackerel, and a ketchup, and a milk, tin milk, and a cheese, sugar, and a bathing soap. A case soap, I never use a bathing, but I thank God I get a bathing soap. And a rice. People, you must be grateful the Part Thompson going on. You must be grateful, because Part Thompson, sometimes Part Thompson in bed asleep and issue food. You must be grateful and thank him and vote him back. If a Part Thompson there, the boy used to do that, walk out, go out on the bed and go on the food. And I said, all people and the young people then, if you must bless Part Thompson, must bless him. Bless him, bless him, bless him, just bless him. And the most when you want to bless him. Because me come to Kensington poor. And so you look at me and give me food stuff. If I need him, I'm not deaf hungry like that dog. People, and if go on, take it easy, must to come again. And go and keep it good. And help out in one another. Andrew honest. People go to Canada, we are going good in the country. We are married vast. We are going good. Big up yourself, Andrew, on his Part Thompson, married vast. Me not afraid for the years. Because me not run up and down and talk to the careless girl on the road. They too wicked. And something we want for thief and rob. I'm going to try from a nice lady. Could I settle down with and married with. I don't want to do into wicked. You might have ears. In time I want to have sex, I put on my condom. The girl is wicked out the road. You don't want something for thief. You tired around the girl. I know you not give me no judge for wash. I try from a nice lady, decent lady for married with and settle down with. Big up yourself.